Good morning, students. In the last period, a range, domain, range, principal value branch of all six inverse trigonometric functions. So, and note number 1, note this point number 2, and note this point number that is 3. So for the inverse trigonometric functions, just you have to remember the domain and range for the at least that is the 4 important inverse trigonometric functions. First one is that is the sine inverse x domain is closed interval -1 to 1, and that is the range is closed interval -π/2, comma that is plus π/2. Cos inverse x domain, so closed interval -1 to 1, and then that is a range is closed interval 0 to pi. Tan inverse x, that is domain is real R, and that is a range or principal value branch is open interval -π/2, that is plus π/2. So on the same line, cot inverse x, that's domain is right, that is a real number, and that is a range is that is open interval 0 to pi. Then that is note this point 1, already you know. Then similarly note this point 2, and that is a 3. So then come to the another one important concept is that is note number that is a 3. In the last period, you know that sine inverse of -x is equal to minus sine inverse x. Then next tan inverse of -x is equal to minus tan inverse x. Cosec inverse of -x is equal to minus that is cosec inverse x. Just minus h ಬರೆಯೋದು 3 inverse trigonometric functions ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. pi minus ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು 3 trigonometric remaining 3 inverse trigonometric functions. So that is a note. Next note this point is cos. Just you have to remember the only that is the formula. Cos inverse of -x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. So cot inverse of -x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Sec inverse of that is -x is equal to, so that is the pi minus that is the sec inverse x. So today I want to discuss 10 example in the list of that is 1 marks. 1 marks dalli ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. So first one is start doing that is the first problem, and doing that is the 10th one problem. Okay, so that is the solution for the first one. Solution for the right, that is the first one, inverse trigonometric function of right, that is the sine inverse of minus that is 1/2 is given. So this is equal to sine inverse of, so that is sine inverse of -x. ನೋಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ -x is equal to minus that is sin inverse x. So minus right, that is the sin inverse of minus sin inverse of that is 1 divided by 2. So this is equal to, very simple, then minus that is the sin inverse of right, that is 1/2. 1/2 the value for 1/2 sin the angle 1/2 ಇರ್ತದೆ. So that is 1/2 √3/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin of 30 degree in terms of radians means right, that is the sin of that is the pi divided by that is the 6. sin pi by 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/2. ಈ 1/2 ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, sin of that is pi by 6. So ಈ ಕಡೆ sin inverse ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ sin 1/2 ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. sin of that is pi by 6. Okay, so this is equal to, you know that, so that is minus sin inverse of sin means that is angle itself only. So totally that is minus that is pi by 6. Is it belonging to, so this value is it belonging to that is the range for sin inverse x closed interval right, that is minus pi/2 and that is plus pi/2. sin inverse x is the range in ಬರ್ತದೆ minus 90 and plus 90. ಇವಾಗ minus 5 by 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 degree minus 90 plus 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Then come to the right, that is the solution number, that is 2. So second one is right, that is the cos inverse of root 3 by 2. So that is the cos inverse of right, that is root 3 divided by that is 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ negative ಇಲ್ಲ, so this is equal to the cos inverse ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, then root 3 by 2 cos the, so root 3 by 2 ಯಾವಾಗ angle ಇರ್ತದೆ 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 and then root 3 by 2 and again that is 1 by 2. It means that is the cos of, again that is the cos of, that is the 5 by that is the 6. Again you have to write the simplest form. You know that, note this number 1 then cos inverse of cos ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಮುಂದೆ angle ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. So cos inverse of, that is the cos means simply right, that is the 5 by that is the 6. So this 5 by 6 is it belonging to, so this belongs to right, that is a closed interval right, that is a 0 to that is a 5, 0 to 180 ಒಳಗಡೆ right, that is a 5 by 6 means 30 degree ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬರ್ತದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Then come to the next one is right, that is the solution for the example number, that is 3. Third example ಯಾವುದು, so that is a cot inverse of, ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ right, that is a cot inverse of minus that is 1 divided by that is root 3. So this is equal to cot, you know the formula for cot inverse of, that is minus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ 5 minus that is cot inverse x. On the same line cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3, it means that right, that is 5 minus that is cot inverse of 1 divided by that is root 3. So this is equal to right, that is pi as it is, then minus as it is. So cot inverse ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ right, that is cot inverse as it is into cot inverse of angle cot the 1 by root 3 ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ, so that is tan the 1 by root 3 angle root 3 and root 3 and 1 by root 3. So cot inverse ಇದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ cot inverse ಅದ, ಇದು 1 by root 3 cot the angle ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that is the cot of that is the 5 by that is the 3. So cot that is the 60 means cot 60 andre, so totally that is 1 by root 3. So cot of that is the 5 by 3 means that is 1 divided by root 3. You have to write in the simplest formula. So this is equal to right, that is the pi as it is, and then minus cot inverse of cot. So already now daily part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ cot inverse of that is cot ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು angle ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. So that is pi minus that is pi divided by that is 3 by taking the LCM. Just for taking the LCM, 3 as the LCM ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದರೆ right, that is 3 pi, and then minus that is pi divided by right, that is 3 totally. So this is equal to right, that is 2 pi divided by that is 3. So is it belongs to that is open interval right, that is 0 to that is pi ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So 2 into that is pi by 3. So pi by 3 means that is 60 multiplied by 2 means that is 120. So total angle is 120 degree. It belongs to that is open interval 0 and that is pi. Then come to the next one, solution for the right, that is example number right, that is fourth one is right, that is cosec inverse of, very simple right, that is cosec inverse of that is 2. So this is equal to right, that is cosec inverse of 2. cosec ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾಸದ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So that is the sin inverse of that is 1 by x. Cosec inverse x is equal to 1 by sin inverse of 1 by x, or that is the sin x is equal to cosec inverse of that is 1 by x on the same line. Then in ಮಾಡಿ right, that is the sin inverse of 1 by x. 1 by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 1 by 2. So this is equal to right, that is the sin inverse of in 1 by 2 angle 1 by 2 value 1 by 2 sin the ಯಾವ angle ಇದ್ರೆ 1 by 2 ಇರ್ತದೆ. So that is the sin of 30 degree. Sin inverse of sin 30 means in terms of radian of sin inverse of that is the sin of right, that is the pi by 6. So this is equal to sin inverse of sin means angle, just angle is the pi divided by that is the 6. So this belongs to right, that is a closed interval sin range minus that is the pi by 2 and that is the plus that is the pi by 2. Then come to the next one is right, that is the solution for the example number that is the 5. So fifth example another tan inverse of minus that is root 3. Okay, so that is the tan inverse of very simple right, that is the tan inverse of minus that is root 3. So this is equal to the formula. Tan inverse of minus x andre another pi minus that is the tan inverse x on this tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus that is the tan inverse x. Okay, on the same line right, that is minus that is the tan inverse of that is root 3. So this is equal to minus right, that is the tan inverse of right, that is root 3 and the value for root 3 and the angle root 3 irtada 1 by root 3 that is root 3 means. So simply right, that is the tan of 60 degree, tan of that is the point divided by that is the 3. So simplest form the baradre tan inverse of tan means you have to mention angle, so that is minus that is the point divided by 3. So this belongs to tan the range minus that is the pi by 2 comma right, that is the plus that is the pi by 2. Every problem sec inverse or that is the cosec inverse ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು sin ಮತ್ತು cos ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So that is the tan and cot ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ usually so so note this point ಅದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Then come to the right, that is the solution for right, that is the example number that is the 6 ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡಿ. So example number that is the 6, so that is the cos inverse of minus that is 1 by 2 right, that is the cos inverse of so that is minus that is 1 by 2. So this is equal to the formula. So note this point cos inverse of minus x andre another pi minus that is the cos inverse x on the same line. So just to mention that is pi minus so cos inverse of right, that is 1 divided by that is 2. So this is equal to pi as it is, then minus right, that is the cos inverse of in 1 by 2. Cos the value for that is the cos 1 by 2 ಯಾವ angle ಇದ್ರೆ so 1 by 2 ಇರ್ತದೆ cos inverse right, that is the cos of so cos of in ಬರೀತಾರೆ. So that is the point divided by 3 means 60. 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 andre so cos of 60 degree in terms of radian means that is the pi by that is the 3. So this is equal to right, that is the pi as it is, and then minus cos inverse of cos so angle is the that is minus that is pi by that is 3. Just by taking the LCM 3 as the LCM right, that is 3 pi and then minus that is the pi divided by that is 3. So this is equal to right, that is 2 pi divided by 3. Is it belongs to right, that is so this belongs to closed interval right, that is 0 to that is 5 Patil, 0 to 180. Then come to the next one. So example number that is 7. So example solution, right, that is a solution for the example number that is 7. 7 the cosec inverse of, very simple, right, that is cosec inverse of minus that is root 2. So this is equal to cosec ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ reciprocal of cosec, the reciprocal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರೀತಾರೆ, so that is a sin. So ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ sin inverse of, sin ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right, that is a sin inverse of minus that is 1 divided by that is root 2. So this is equal to, right, that is sin inverse of minus 1 by root 2. You know the formula for sin inverse of that is minus x. Sin inverse of minus x andre ಬರೀತಾರೆ minus that is sin inverse of, right, that is 1 divided by that is root 2. So this is equal to minus that is sin inverse of, right, that is sin inverse of sin of 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 ಯಾವ್ದಿರ್ತದೆ sin of that is 45 degree. So this is equal to, right, that is minus, so sin inverse of sin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ that is 5 by 4. Then you have to observe the domain for the sin. cosec inverse of the domain ಅನ್ನು range ಅನ್ನು observe ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, so domain for that is sin ಅನ್ನು observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಅದರದ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ minus 5 by 4 belonging to that is closed interval minus that is 5 by 2 plus that is plus 5 by 2 minus 90 and plus 90. And then come to the, right, that is the solution for, right, that is example number that is 8. Example number 8, sin inverse of that is sin of, very simple, right, that is sin inverse of, right, that is sin of, sin inverse of sin of that is 2 divided by that is 3. So ivaga, so solution for the given problem, sin inverse of sin of that is 2 divided by 3. Most of the students ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin inverse of that is sin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ that is 2 divided by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ 2 divided by 3 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದರೆ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ that is ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 divided by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into, so that is 60, 2 into 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 120. So 120 does not belongs to minus 90 plus 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ sin inverse of sin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ಆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ sin inverse of sin ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2.93 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. 2.93 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 120 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 120 ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 90 ಮೈನಸ್ 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಬರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 2.3 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದರೆ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 90 ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ರೈಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ sin inverse ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ sin, right, that is 2 pi by 3 can be written as, right, that is pi minus that is pi by that is 3. Is it correct? So 2 pi by 3 and pi minus that is pi by 3. Just by taking the LCM we get it, that is 2 pi by 3. And then come to the allied angle in first PUC, right, that is AST, AS, that is D and that is zeros. Okay, so pi minus sin, that is pi minus theta. Pi minus theta means 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to that is 360 degree. Pi under 180, 180 minus minus theta. Sine of 180 minus theta, it means it lies in, that is the second quadrant. Second quadrant ದಲ್ಲಿ sin ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ almost that is a positive. First quadrant 0 to 90 ಎಲ್ಲ positive. Second quadrant so 90 to 180 sin 9 1 by sin means that is a cosec or the positive. Third quadrant 182 that is 270 tan and cot or that is a positive. Then 272 360 degree means that is the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant ದಲ್ಲಿ cos ಮತ್ತು 1 by cos means that is the sec or the positive. On the same line sin of 180 degree minus theta means it lies in the, so that is the second quadrant. Second quadrant ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ sin is that is a positive. Therefore totally right, that is the sin inverse of that is the sin of 180 minus that is the theta means it lies in second quadrant. So that is the sin inverse of sin of that is the pi by 3. Then come to the next one important step. Sin inverse of sin andre angle ashta barkori. So this angle, so that is the pi by 3 means 60 degree belonging to plus 90 ಮತ್ತು minus 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So this is equal to total answer right, that is pi divided by 3. So this belonging to right, that is closed interval minus that is pi by 2 and that is plus that is pi by 2. Then come to the right, that is the solution for the right, that is the ninth one. Ninth problem. So tan inverse of tan of that is a 7 5 by 6. Right, that is the tan inverse of right, that is the tan of, so that is the 7 pi divided by that is the 6. Okay, so this is equal to ಇದನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ tan inverse of tan ಅಂದ್ರೆ angle ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇದು 7 into that is 30 degree. So 210 does not belongs to right, that is 0 to 180. ಇದು 0 ಮತ್ತು 180 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮುಂದಿನ angle ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಈ angle so tan the range ಏನದ 0 to that is tan the range minus 90 plus 90 ಅದ. minus 90 plus 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದು angle ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೊ 7 pi by 6 ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ 7 pi by 6 ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ right, that is the tan inverse of, very simple, tan inverse of right, that is the tan of. So 7 pi by 6 can be written as right, that is pi plus right, that is pi divided by that is 6 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. 7 pi by 6 is nothing but pi plus that is pi by 6. Then again write in the simplest form right, that is the tan inverse ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. right, that is the tan of 5 plus pi by 6. It lies in right, that is the fourth quadrant. So that is third quadrant. Tan is always positive. Tan of 180 plus theta means it lies in so third quadrant. So tan of infinity that is pi by that is the 6. In last again answer variable tan inverse of tan means that is pi by that is the 6. Is it belonging to that is open interval minus that is pi by 2 comma that is plus pi by 2 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 5 by 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 30 degree plus 90 ಮತ್ತು minus 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬರೆದಿರುವಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ 7 pi by 6 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 7 into that total 210 degree. So ಇದು plus 90 minus 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು tan inverse of tan 7 pi by 6 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸರಿನಾ? So one problem for that is homework right, that is cos inverse of minus that is 1 divided by root 2. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೇರ್ note this point number I think so this note this point number that is 4. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಥಿಯರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಥಿಯರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, tomorrow onwards I want to start with another one. Note this point, that is the last note this point, note number that is so fifth one. So fifth one ದಲ್ಲಿ relation, beautiful relation between the two trigonometry function, inverse trigonometry function ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 9 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಒನ್ ನೈಟ್ ಆಲ್.